All right, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt.
Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Finally!
Don't do anything!
Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! In the back! Come on! Come on! In the back! Come on! Let's go! Come on!
Hands behind your back.
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up. Listen up.
What's he doing?
Hurry.
He's gonna kill
In the
us
back.
here.
Come on.
Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set! Phone it in!
I'm making the call.
We gonna do this?
Come on! Call it in!
Blow the door!
Blow the fucking door!
All right, we gonna do this?
Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
That's the score! Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
What's the holdup? Coming out, B! Give it up! I got him!
I saw your face. I'll remember you.
You forget 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
No one's crazy. Right think. Be cool.
Well, that's right, pal! I'm fucking crazy!
Fuck! You didn't have to do that.
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right. Let's go.
What are you doing? Find some cover. I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens.
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch.
Move! We're coming through! Don't be as dumb as you look!
Fuck these guys! Don't be an idiot!
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence!
We bring it to them.
Get out of here!
Wrong profession!
Press forward.
Come on, guys!
They answered the wrong call!
We keep going forward.
Who's sick?
Get out of the way!
It's over. Move, move, move.
What the fuck is this? Let's get out of here.
Blame the pricks who called you out here!
Get in their faces.
go!
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed. This wasn't in the job description. Let's go! Get to the car!
I hope he's waiting!
Let's move! Come on!
Every man for himself!
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit? Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go! Jeez, I think they're gonna... Oh, fuck!
Local yokel spotted!
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you! Fuck you! Hell!
Come on! Let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there!
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! We ain't made this car yet!
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man! Jesus!
You guys all right?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan!
What?
Stick to the fucking plan! Come on!
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Ah! The fucking fence! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine! We gotta get the fuck out of here! I'm hit! Oh, Jesus! T, you gotta get out of here!
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out! Go!
No! I'm standing here! Finish me! Come on! Come on! Kill me, you pricks! Motherfuckers! Fucking die, all of you! Hey, you, hey! Where's the chopper? Fucking stay back! You come near me, she's fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!